Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to enable and disable the low frequency mode of this JBL Xtreme. If we enable the low frequency mode, the bass will be boosted, and if we disable the low frequency mode, the speaker will go back to normal mode. That means the standard bass mode. I will show you in real time while playing the song. If the low frequency mode is enabled, automatically the bass will be boosted. I will show you through this reflector. Now I am going to connect the Bluetooth speaker to the mobile. I'm turning on the speaker, pressing the Bluetooth button. It's already there. Pressing the JBL Xtreme. Alright, now I will play this song. Before that, to enable low frequency mode, we have to press volume down, this minus, and Bluetooth button together for 10 seconds. Now I am playing the song and I will press this minus and Bluetooth button together for 10 seconds. You can see the difference of this bass reflector. It will beat more faster. I'm playing the song now. Now to go back to the standard mode without low frequency mode, we have to press the same buttons again for 10 seconds. It will restore to standard mode. So I will play the song and I will do to restore the speaker back to its normal standard bass mode.
Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
Alright, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioBiz 360 and write comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.